Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNKO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the crazy day on this one. I mean, Tuesday was already crazy, and then today, almost a case of deja vu. And actually, let me do this. So that's what the that's what the chart looked like on Tuesday. Big move up, and then a pretty intense pullback. And then let's look at today. Big move up, very intense pullback. So this all has to do with what is your perspective? Meaning, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well, then from that perspective, things are not looking very good. But if you care about the big picture of things, and even with that big pullback, the price does still have the opportunity to build a higher base. So that's what makes these charts so tricky, is because it really is just a matter of, well, what was your viewpoint? What was your angle going in? And, to illustrate this quickly, let's say the price stays above here. Well, that would be a set of lows, and you compare that to that set of lows, and then compare it to these sets of lows down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you still have? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see, assuming, again, you care about the big picture point of view. So does the chart look shaky? Does the chart look a little confusing right now? Absolutely, because that was such a massive pullback. But again, to be fair, does the price still have the opportunity to build a higher base? It absolutely does. And so that's where, really that 1850 mark comes into play as a very important level of support. So let me get that mapped out here. So there we go. So 1850 for those regions just discussed, in terms of whether or not the price is going to, still have the chance at progress, is going to be that main area of support. If the price does try to work its way back upwards, that first key area of resistance to watch very closely, going to be right up there at the $21 mark. So overall, crazy chart. Again, a case of deja vu from Tuesday, but it'll be very interesting to see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.